So friends, our today topic is chord progressions. So let's do it as we have done it before. Chord progression, that you change the degree of the chord. Okay. So you can see chord progression means the order in which chord moves from one to another in a piece of music. So let's do the exercises. Label the triad with Roman numeral to show the chord progression. So we have to show the chord progression with the Roman numeral, which we have learned in the previous lesson, where we were showing it with the Roman number like small or big or that one. Okay. So you can see the first example. Let's do the second exercise straight away without wasting our time. So you can see this key is E minor. So let's check. This is our E. So this is bass clef, third space E. So this is our tonic note, and this is our B. So this is our fifth degree dominant. If you want to check other way, so if you start from the E, so you go with E, F, G, A, and B. So you can see the fifth, B is the fifth degree of it. Here again, this is the fifth. So B, fifth, and this is again the first one. Okay. Let's do the next one. So the next one we have C major scale. So this is our first one. Let's put here. This is first degree, then this is fifth degree, this is our G. So if you want to check this, you can see C, D, E, F, and G. So G is the fifth dominant. So this is, sorry, this one will be capital 1. Then this is fifth. This is again the first, again the fifth, and then again this one is C. Yeah, so this is the first one. Okay. The last one, this one, this is G minor scale. So this is, you can see bass clef G. So you're gonna put the first small one. Then this is, if we go from G, G, A, B, C, and D. So you can see this is bass clef, third line D. So this is our fifth, and this is our first, and this is again our first. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise. In the next one, you can see label the triad with the chord symbol to show the chord progression. So in the last class also a lesson we have learned the chord progression. If you want to show, so we show with the numbers on the top. So you can see the first one example here. Let's do the second one. This is C major. So that means this is start with the C. So this we're gonna come C here. This is the fifth degree. That is our G. So we're gonna put G, again G here, and this is our F, E, D, and C. Okay. Next one we have D minor. So start with the D. So we're gonna go D minor. This is the fifth degree, and this is our A. So this is A, and this is our, this is bass clef, this is C and A. This is again A, and this is our D minor. Okay. So the last one in this exercise is E minor. So this is E. So this is E minor. Then this one is the fifth degree. That is our B. So B here. This one again B. This one again B. And this one is E minor scale. Okay. So here we finish with this topic. Now I will see the next topic. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and please like and share. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next topic.